You've yawned your whole life, but do you actually know why? Because it's not random. Your brain is actually copying them. You have these cells called mirror neurons, and their whole job is to mimic what other people do. See someone yawn? Your brain goes, "Do it!" But here's the part nobody talks about. The more empathetic you are, the faster it hits you. It's not a weakness. It's literally a sign your brain is tuned in to other people. And it's not just humans. Dogs catch yawns from their owners, even from just hearing one. No video, no eye contact. Just sound. So if you just yawned watching this, your brain isn't being weird. It's doing exactly what it was built to do. Feel what other people feel.